Hi, I am Ivy from the Most Valuable Green Expert. Let's get our SuiteApp going within 3 minutes. Firstly, let's log into NetSuite so my friends can help you further. All yours, Brandon.
Thanks, Ivy. First thing first, let's install the SuiteApp. You can find the SuiteApp in the SuiteApp Market. Just click on SuiteApps on the menu bar. Type in MVGX or benchmark in the search box to find the Decarbonisation rating SuiteApp. Yes, just that easy. Click on Install to install the SuiteApp. And confirm the installation by clicking on Install when prompted. You will see the installation has begun, so let's go to the Installed SuiteApp list to check the progress. The process will take less than 5 minutes ideally. NetSuite will prompt you for any unexpected errors. Next up, we work out we want to add users to MVGX text production or testing environment. In General Preferences, we scroll down and look for Custom Preferences. Tick the box for new users to connect to production. Untick the box for new users to connect to testing environment. This setting will stick to the user profile and remain unchangeable. You can create multiple users, some for production and some for testing. Next, click on the SuiteApp tab, make sustainability easy. In the custom portlet, click on Setup, choose DR01. Click on Save. Going back to the portlet, click on the Refresh button. If this is your first time running this in this NetSuite environment, it may take a while to load. You know what I mean now? Next, click Register to add new user. Remember to check the environment flag in the General Preference. For users already registered to MVGX Tech, please add the user account directly to MVGX Tech user account record. To add a new user account, please enter user email address and click on the triangle icon for verification code email. The SuiteApp will confirm the verification code email is on its way. Please check email inbox for the verification code, or your junk mail folder if you have strict mail server rules. Armed with the verification code, please go back to the user registration portlet. Enter password. Enter verification code. Click on Submit. The SuiteApp confirms the successful user account registration. When will this end? You ask me. I think it will just take another minute. Hang in there. Click on Refresh icon. Then, Accounts. You can only assign one user for data sync purpose at any given time. So make sure you click on Radio button on the user that you want to refresh security token, assessment status, feedback and the actual rating report. Next up, go to the NetSuite Global search bar and search for DR10. Click on DR10, DR, Background Task, and click Edit. Change the status into Not Scheduled. Select Save and Execute. Check the status to become Complete. In the execution log of the DR10 task, you will see code 200 and success. Make sure you turn the schedule of the task back on so that it will perform data sync automatically on a daily basis. Okay, it's done now. Let's recap in writing here. I know it is a lot to go about, so thank you for sticking through this. Brandon, out.
That was a lot to cover within a few minutes. With your help, let's together make sustainability easy. See you again soon. I am Ivy from the Most Valuable Green Expert.